Welcome to my channel. This story may sound simple, but it can change the way you see your struggle. At the age of 19, Ayan stood at the edge of his dreams and his fears. He lived in a small town where English felt like a wall too high to climb. His dream was clear. He wanted to speak English confidently. He wanted to study abroad one day. He wanted to help his family live a better life. But every time he opened his mouth, fear stopped him. His classmates laughed when he spoke. His tongue felt heavy. Words escaped his mind. Teachers spoke fast. Books looked difficult. At home, money was limited. His father worked long hours. His mother believed in him quietly. She said, "One day you will speak well." Still, Ayan failed his first English test badly. Red marks covered the page. Shame filled his chest. He locked himself in his room. He thought dreams were not for people like him. That night, he watched videos online. People spoke English easily. He felt small. Then he saw one video. A man said, "English is a skill, not talent." Those words stayed. Ayan picked a notebook. He wrote one sentence. It was wrong. He corrected it. He wrote again. Slowly, hope entered his heart. He did not feel strong. He felt scared. But he decided one thing. He would not quit. Even if progress was slow. Even if people laughed. That night, he slept with fear and hope together. This was the first step of his long journey. Chapter 2. The next weeks tested Ayan's decision. Every morning, he practiced English for 30 minutes. He spoke to the mirror. His voice shook. His pronunciation was weak. Still, he continued. At college, problems grew. Friends avoided group work with him. They thought he was slow. One day, his English teacher, Mr. Rahman, noticed him staying after class. Mr. Rahman asked why. Ayan shared his fear. He shared his dream. Mr. Rahman listened carefully. He did not laugh. He smiled kindly. He said, "You can learn, but you must be patient." He became Ayan's mentor. He gave simple advice. Read aloud daily. Listen carefully. Speak even when wrong. Ayan followed every step. At home, his sister helped him practice words. She corrected him gently. Some days were good. Some days were painful. Once, Ayan tried to speak in class. His sentence broke. Laughter followed. His face burned. He sat down quietly. That night, he almost quit, but he remembered his promise. He wrote 10 new words. He practiced again. After a month, something changed. He understood more sentences. He spoke slower but clearer. Mr. Rahman praised his effort. It was a small success, but it felt huge. Ayan realized learning was not magic. It was work, daily work, quiet work, invisible work, and he was doing it step by step, even when fear walked beside him. Chapter 3. Life did not become easy. Pressure increased. Exams came closer. Ayan failed another test. His confidence dropped again. His father asked him to focus on work instead of dreams. Money problems grew. Ayan felt torn. One evening, he told Mr. Rahman he might stop learning English. Mr. Rahman looked serious. He said, "Stopping is easy. Continuing is courage." He shared his own story. He also struggled once. That gave Ayan strength. He decided to work harder. He woke up earlier. He listened to English podcasts while traveling. He wrote short stories using simple words. Slowly, his brain adjusted. One day, he helped a classmate understand a lesson. The classmate thanked him. That moment felt unreal. At home, his mother noticed his effort. She said she was proud. Those words healed him, yet setbacks returned. Ayan forgot words during a presentation. He froze. Silence filled the room. He felt broken. That night, he cried. But he did not quit. He practiced that same presentation again and again. He recorded his voice. He corrected mistakes. A week later, he tried again. This time, he spoke better. Not perfect, but better. Applause followed. Ayan smiled. He learned something important. Growth is hidden inside discomfort. Fear does not disappear. You walk with it. Chapter 4. Months passed. Ayan's English improved slowly. He could understand conversations. He could express ideas simply. But a big challenge arrived, an interview for a scholarship. English only. Fear returned stronger than ever. He doubted himself. Mr. Rahman trained him daily. Mock interviews, common questions, clear answers. Ayan failed many practice rounds. His answers were weak, his grammar broke. Still, he practiced. His sister played interviewer at home. His mother prayed for him. On the interview day, his hands shook. His heart raced. The first question confused him. He paused. He remembered Mr. Rahman's words. Slow is fine. Clear is enough. He answered slowly. Mistakes happened, but he continued. When the interview ended, he felt empty. Weeks later, rejection arrived. No scholarship. Pain returned. Ayan felt tired, very tired. He thought effort meant success. Reality taught him otherwise. He wanted to quit again. But then he saw his old notebook. The first sentence he wrote, it was terrible. He laughed softly. He realized how far he had come. He was no longer the same boy. He decided to try again next year. Failure was not a stop sign. It was a lesson. Chapter 5. Ayan prepared again. This time, with calm. He focused on consistency, not results. He spoke English daily. He taught beginners online for free. Teaching made him stronger. He learned patience. His confidence grew naturally. People started understanding him easily. His father noticed his improvement. He supported him more. Another interview came, a bigger chance. Ayan felt ready, not fearless, but prepared. During the interview, he spoke with honesty, simple words, clear thoughts. He did not panic when mistakes happened. Weeks later, good news arrived. He was selected. Tears filled his eyes. His family celebrated quietly. Mr. Rahman smiled proudly. Ayan realized success was not the scholarship. It was the journey, the discipline, the belief built slowly. English was no longer a wall. It was a bridge. Chapter 6. Today, Ayan speaks English confidently, not perfectly, but bravely. He remembers every failure, every laugh, every tear, and he is thankful. This story is for you. If you are struggling, if English scares you, if failure hurts you, remember this. Skills grow with practice. Confidence grows with action. Fear fades when you move forward. Start small. Speak slowly. Make mistakes. Learn daily. Do not wait for perfect. Work for progress. Believe in yourself when no one else does. And never quit. Your journey can change your life. Start today. Keep going. Your future is waiting.